In this video you will learn how to install and use our Unity plugin to help you integrate OSB in your app. Before starting the installation of the plugin, you should read through the documentation of the OSB and understand how it works, as the usage of the plugin requires you to have this knowledge. You can find this documentation on the Catappult website. The installation and usage of the plugin is also documented on the Catappult website. This video is an implementation of that documentation. To start, you need to download the files from this link. Now we can install it in our Unity project. For the purpose of this video, I will use an empty Unity project. The place of each script is dictated by the folder structure of the downloaded zip. The storage.json file is where all the information associated with the plugin is stored, including the product IDs associated to each button and your server URL. After the scripts are loaded by Unity, you will find a Services tab on top of the editor window. Inside, you have the Billing Integration section, which allows you to either add a button or open the OSB catalog. Let's try adding a button. You can see the button appears on screen and on the hierarchy panel inside the canvas. It is fully customizable and has OSB button as a script. The product ID dropdown is still empty, as we haven't added any product IDs to the catalog. Let's do so. In the OSB catalog, you can add and remove your product IDs. Keep in mind that this needs to be stated in Catappult as well. You can define your OSB URL, which is needed to make transactions, and your app domain, typically com.something.something. This domain will be used in the next feature I'm showing you. Complementing the services bar, we also have some handy scripts that help you make the best out of the plugin. The first one is related to the SKU price of your product. If you want to display the price as a label, for example, on the button itself, you can call the function getSKULocalPriceLabel and get it. In this script, we reference the OSB button using the inspector, but you can change the script to your convenience. It is purely an example of how to use this functionality. The second script is the setUID. This script shows how to set user ID for each user. We know that different developers have different methods, so we made that a possibility. All you need to do is add it to a game object and change the code to define your UID methodology. The last script is located in the plugins folder and is used to notify your game of in-app purchases. When a purchase is completed, the function onPurchaseFinished is called, and you can program your needed action, for example, adding an item to the user inventory. To end this tutorial, I will show you what the purchase flow will look like for your users. This application is very simple and only has a button. As you can see, the button has the label of the SKU price, which we made possible by using the script shown before. When you click the button, a window of the AppCoins wallet pops up and the purchasing flow starts. When the purchase is done, you get the notification in the Purchase Manager, and the action defined inside of onPurchaseFinished is started. That's all it takes to use the Unity plugin to integrate OSB in your application. I hope this video helped you in any way. You can find the written documentation on the Catappult website and contact us for any further explanation. Thank you.